students. Previous class I have explained till exercise cell practice 8C. In that cell practice we have to related, that is also related in the percentage. Now in this also related in percentage only, but some different topic it is given. We have to given some number. In that number we have to increase some percent, 5%, 4%, 10% or 50% or 30% or 25%, like that. So thus you see here, increase 50 rupees by 20%. So how we will do like this? Here question is given increase. It means we have to add rupees 50 plus 20% of 50, like this. Okay, if question is given increase, that's why I have added here plus. If question is given decrease, then we will do here minus. Okay, so here 50 plus 20 upon 100 of means multiply, then this 0 and this 0 will cancel out, then it will come 50, 5 to the 10. Now we will add, then it will come rupees 60. Okay, so this is the final answer. So we have to increase rupees 50 by 20%, then answer will come 60. Now we have to increase, next question, C part, 600 gram is given and we have to increase 18%. So how we have to increase here 18%? For that what we do, in this case 600 plus 18% of 600 gram. Okay, so in this case we will again add same process, whatever we have to do, same like that we have to do in this also, whatever did in the previous part. So 600 plus 18 upon 600 into 600, 0, 0. Now just you multiply here, so 600 plus 18 6 are 108 will come. Now just you add, it will come 708. So this is the final answer, this much gram. So we will increase 600 by 18 gram, then it will come 708 gram. Now third part, 8 kilometer we have to increase by 19%. So we will do like this, 8 plus 19% of 8. Okay, so it will come 8 plus 19 upon 100 into 8. Now we will multiply here, 19 8 ja, how much will come? So it will come 8 plus 19 8 ja, 9 8 is 72, carry 7, and 8 plus 7 15, 152 upon 100. Then it will come 8 plus 1.52 kilometer. So final answer will come 9.52 kilometer. If we will increase 8 kilometer by 19%, then it will come 9.52 kilometer. Okay. Now in the second question, here question is given decrease. So we will subtract here. Method will be same. Just in place of plus sign we will put minus sign. So here rupees 170. So we will subtract here. So just put here minus 10% of 170. Okay, so we will do like this, 170 minus 10 upon 100 into 170. So 10 will cancel, 10 will cancel, then it will come 170 minus 17. Then it will come how much? 153. So this is final answer, rupees 153. Okay. Now in the C part, 1 hectare we have to decrease 1 hectare by HA means hectare is given. So 1 hectare by 28%. So how we will do like this? 1 hectare is given. So we will subtract like this, 1 minus 28% of 1. So write down like this. So 1 minus 28 upon 100. So it will come 1 minus 0.28. Now we will subtract 1.00 and 0.28. So how much it will come? Here 2 and here 7. So it will come 0.72 hectare. Okay, if we will decrease 1 hectare by 28%, then it will come 0.72 hectare. Now in the E part, 24 meter, we have to decrease 22%. 24 meter. So in this case we will subtract again. So 24 minus 22% of 24. So it will come 24 minus 22 upon 100 into 24. Okay. If you want to put point directly, then it will come correct. So 24 minus 0.22 into 24. So we will multiply here 24 to 22. It will come 4, 8, 8, 4. So 8, 2. So it will come 5, 2, 8. After 2 digit we have to put point. So it will come 24 minus 5.28. Okay. Now we will subtract here 5.28 to 524. So how much it will come? 24. We have to subtract. So 0, 0. So 5.28. We will subtract here. We will take here borrow. So 10 minus 8. It will come 2. Here 9. 9 minus 2 7. Then 13. Then we will take borrow again. 13 minus 5 8 will come and 1. So final answer is 18.72 meter. So we will decrease 24 meter by 22%, then final answer will come 18.72 meter. Now, so second question is over. Now we have to do question number 3rd. So all of you read the question number 3rd. What is given in that? The entrance fee at a science museum is 50 rupees. Senior citizen receives 20% discount. So how much fee does a senior citizen pay? So again we have to decrease here. Discount means we have to subtract. So entrance fee for senior citizen will be entrance fee for senior citizen will be subtract how much? 50 rupees minus 20% of 50. So we have to again same process whatever did in the question number 2nd, same we have to do. So 50 minus 20 upon 100 into 50. So 2 0 will get cancel out. So if 5 2 is 10. So 50 minus 10 it will come 40 rupees. Means senior citizen they has to pay 40 rupees as an entrance fee. Now question number 4, just try yourself. Okay. Now we will go for next question, that is question number 5. So just all of you read the question number 5, what is given in that. So first of all read the question and then we have to solve. So we have to do question number 5. Question is given rupees 2000. Increase rupees 2000 by 10% and then decrease new amount by 10%. So first of all we will increase here first step. So in the first part, first step, we have to increase here 2000 plus 10% of 2000. Okay. So what we'll do here, 2000 plus 10 upon 100 into 2000, then 20 will cancel, it will come 200. So 2000 plus 200, it will come 2200. So rupees 2200. Now in this question is saying we have to decrease 10% by the new amount. I mean this one is the new amount. Now second step we will decrease here. In the second step we will decrease here. So 2200 rupees minus 10% of 2200. Okay. So here in 2200 minus 10 upon 100 into 2200. So 20 will cancel. So 2200 minus 220. Now we will subtract here 2200 minus 220. How much will come? 0. Here 8 will come and here 11 minus 9 will come and here 1 will there. So final answer is this one, 1980 rupees. This is the final required answer. we will increase 2000 10%, then it will come this, and then again we have to decrease 10% by this amount, then it will come this one. So question number 5 is over. Now we same types of question number 6, just try yourself. Question number 7, first part. All of you see here, in the question number 7, question is asking two amount is given, one original and second is increase amount. So we have to find percentage increase. So original in the A part, original price is equal to rupees 800 and new price is equal to 872. Okay. Now we have to find increase percentage. So increase percentage is equal to 872 minus 800 upon, means new minus original, upon 800 into 100, because we have to find always percentage with respect to original one. So it will come 72 upon 800 into 100. So 20 will cancel out and 8 9 is 72. So it will come 9%. So it increased 9%. Okay. Price increased 9%. Now B part, just try yourself. Okay. Now second question number 8. All of you see in the question number 8 in the A part. Here percentage decrease we have to find. From number is given, it decreased 500 to 100. 500 to 100. So how much percentage it decrease? So we have to find decrease percentage. So just write down here, decrease percentage is equal to 500 minus 100 with respect to 500. We have to find percentage upon into 100. So it will come 400 upon 500 into 100. So it will come 0 0. Then we can cancel out in this one 20 into 4. It will come 80%. So it decreased 80%. Okay, so in the question number 8, A part, it decreased 80%. Now B part, just try yourself. Okay, now we have to solve question number 9. Just you see in the question number 9, what is given in that? All of you, first of all, read the question number 9. So in the question number 9, property which was valued 40,000 5 years ago is now valued 60,000. What is percentage increase in value? So previous value is 40,000, now it is 60,000. So we have to find percentage increase. So just write down percentage increase is equal to 60,000 minus 40,000 upon 40,000 into 100. Okay, into 100. So it will come 20,000 upon 40,000 into 100. So 40 will cancel out, then it will come 25 into 2, 50%. So it has increased 50%. Okay, any confusion? Till this now I have explained. Now we will go for next exercise for the next video in the next class. Okay, that's all.